Imagine saving 30% on fuel just by plugging in a tiny gadget. Sounds insane, right? But is the NeoSocket Fuel Saver actually legit or just another scam? The NeoSocket Fuel Saver claims to boost mileage, increase horsepower, and cut fuel costs instantly. Just plug it into your car's 12-volt socket and drive. No installation, no tuning. Check a sample product listing. Sounds perfect, but here's the reality. Independent tests and teardowns show something shocking. Inside the device, just a basic capacitor, a few resistors, and an LED light. Nothing advanced. Experts say there's no possible way this setup can improve fuel efficiency. In fact, many reviewers found zero to no measurable improvement after weeks of testing. Even worse, this isn't new. Devices like this have been circulating for years under different names, often labeled as scams or misleading products. So those bold claims like save up to 30% fuel, there's no solid scientific proof backing them up. Bottom line, it looks high-tech, but it's basically just a glowing plug. So, before you waste your money on a fuel saver, remember this: if it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Want real ways to save fuel? Hit subscribe, because I'll show you what actually works.